All right, you back rolling with the coolest chef in all the land. Bones in the Buckets feature Chef Peasy. That would be me there. Back out here in sunny California, I see trees that are green with the oranges too. I see the roses bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors in the sky. I see blue clouds, white clouds too. Bright blessed days for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky. Also people walking by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're only saying, the Chef P, he loves you. I hear babies crying. I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than the chef will ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh yeah, family. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh yeah. All right, Bones in the Buckets reporting. I don't know what I'm going to cook today. It may be freestyling. I'm not for sure. But I do know I'm going to get back on the grill. And I'm going to show you guys how to do smoked cheese. For those of you that want a little smoked flavor in some of your plain cheeses. Okay? Until next time. Hands on, hands in. Bonz. Featuring Chef Peasy. That would be me there. Oh yeah.